Hi viewers, welcome to my English World channel. Okay, our topic is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. So past continuous tense is a tense which tells about an action that was taking place at a particular point of time in the past. గతంలో ఒక సమయం వద్ద ఒక పని జరుగుతూ ఉండెను అని చెప్పడానికి పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ని ఉపయోగిస్తాం. ఓకేనా? స్ట్రక్చర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాజ్ వేర్ ప్లస్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ వాజ్ వేర్ ప్లస్ V4 ప్లస్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. సో ఫర్ ద సబ్జెక్ట్స్ I, he, she, it, we use was. So for all the singulars including first person singular we use was. For all plurals we use were. For all singulars we use was. For all plurals we use were. We were, you were, they were, I was, he was, she was, it was. This is how. Okay, I was learning English yesterday by this time. He was writing a letter last evening by this time. She was doing her homework last night by this time. It was drinking milk yesterday by this time. So here I is subject, was is B form, learning is V4 of learn. So V4, English is object, yesterday by this time is keyword. So I was learning English yesterday by this time. He is subject, was B form, writing V4, then a letter object, last evening by this time keyword. So he was writing a letter last evening by this time, and she was doing her homework last night by this time. It was drinking milk yesterday by this time, and we were so we use were for all plurals. So we were reading books last Sunday by this time. You were teaching English yesterday by this time. They were speaking English last evening by this time. So this is how we write past continuous tense examples and interrogative forms of past continuous tense. So there is no need to struggle to write interrogative forms to the past continuous tense. So because there is already auxiliary verb, that is B form is there in the structure. So let us take the same sentence here. I was learning English yesterday. So I was learning English. Bring this was in front of the subject and write the remaining sentence as it is. Add the question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay, so it will become interrogative form of a past continuous tense. Was I learning English? Was he writing a letter? Was she doing her homework? Was it drinking milk? Were we reading books? Were you teaching English? Were they speaking English? So this is how we write interrogative form of past continuous tense. Next is negative form of past continuous tense. How to write negative form? Just think, the only thing that you have to do to form negative sentence is add not to was. So I was not learning English. We were not learning English. You were not teaching Hindi. They were not speaking Hindi. Then he was not writing a letter. She was not doing her homework. It was not drinking milk. Only thing is the same. The sentence is the same. I was learning English is the same. But we have added not to the be form, that is was. Okay, we have added not form to was or were. It will become a negative form of past continuous tense. Okay, then usages of past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense to express an action that was running at a particular point of time. Okay, at a particular point of time in the past. Example, I was singing a song yesterday by this time. So I was singing a song. I is subject, was is be form, singing is be form, a song is object. Yesterday by this time. So point of time it is. Okay, a point of time in the past. సో ఎస్టర్డే బై దిస్ టైం, నిన్న ఈ సమయానికి ఒక పని జరుగుతూ ఉండెను అని చెప్పడానికి పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ని ఉపయోగిస్తాము. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఐ వాజ్ సింగింగ్ ఏ సాంగ్ ఎస్టర్డే బై దిస్ టైమ్. నెక్స్ట్, టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ అన్ యాక్షన్, ఓకే, దట్ వాస్ టేకింగ్ ప్లేస్ వెన్ సమ్ అదర్ యాక్షన్ టుక్ ప్లేస్. సో ఒక పని జరుగుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు, ఓకేనా, ఇంకో పని జరిగింది, ఇంకో పని జరుగుతూ ఉండెను, ఒక పని జరుగుతూ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇంకో పని జరిగింది అని చెప్పడానికి మనం పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ని ఉపయోగిస్తాము. ఓకేనా. ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యు వర్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ వెన్ ఐ ఎంటర్డ్ ద స్కూల్. ఓకే, నేను వచ్చేటప్పటికి, నేను అలా స్కూల్లో ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నాను, అలా నువ్వు వచ్చేసి ఆడుకుంటున్నావు అంటే అది కాదు మీనింగ్. నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆడుకుంటూ ఉండినావు ఎక్కడ, స్కూల్ గ్రౌండ్లో. సో యు ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ వెన్ ఐ ఎంటర్డ్ ద స్కూల్. నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు నువ్వు ఆడుకుంటూ ఉంటివి అని అర్థం. ఓకేనా. ఇన్ అదర్ వర్డ్స్ చెప్పాలంటే ఇక్కడ పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ ప్లస్ లింకర్ ప్లస్ సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్ ఏది స్ట్రక్చర్, ఏది ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఓకేనా. యు వర్ ప్లేయింగ్ అనేది పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద గ్రౌండ్. సో యు వర్ ప్లేయింగ్ ఇన్ ద గ్రౌండ్ అనేది పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్. వెన్ అనేది లింకర్. I entered the school అనేది past tense. So this is how we write examples. Okay, these are the usages of simple past tense. Okay, hints of past continuous tense, not simple past tense. Next, hints of past continuous tense. How to identify past continuous tense? If we find these keywords in a sentence, we have to identify that particular sentence as a in past continuous tense. Yesterday, day before yesterday by this time. Okay, last morning, last evening, last night, last week, last month, last year by this time. So these all words should come with by this time. So ఈ పదాలన్నీ కూడా బై దిస్ టైంతో కలిపి వచ్చినప్పుడు అది మనం పాస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ అని గుర్తించాలి. We have to identify these words with by this time, okay, as past continuous tense keywords. So if we find these words, these keywords in a sentence, we have to identify that particular sentence as in past continuous tense. This is about past continuous tense. Thank you. And if you really interested in my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.